One of the important things we talked about with the V-box spreaders is maintenance. And we need to, as a driver and as an operator, you need to make sure that you're lubricating and greasing this equipment throughout the year, the spring, the summer, and the fall. And one of the ways that this particular unit has found to do this without a lot of extra effort is they've created hydraulic hose pigtails, for lack of a better term. And basically they outfitted some hoses long enough that they can, where they have these spreaders parked, they can pull the truck along the side of all of their spreaders in the unit, hook the hoses up to one side of the truck. They can do the spinner, or they can do the chain drive, and without having to load the spreader or anything, they can lubricate the spinner and the chain drive and everything without the effort of doing that. And so now that's something we're going to show you right now, is how they do that. So it's June, it's July, it's the short day for these guys. They've worked three long days. So Thursday of the week, their task is to lubricate all their salt spreaders. So they get their pigtail out, they get their truck, they hook it up, and they'll go in front of each of their spreaders and turn it, and without loading the spreader, they can operate the chain drive. And so they can come along with their Lubriseal product and lube all this. You see the black color is all this, the Lubriseal. And you see this chain, even though it's rusted, it's in pretty good shape. They can also check tension or whatever, look for bad spots. As they're doing it, they can grease the bearings and all. They can do any slack adjustment if they want to. But here again, the point is, they've made it fairly easy, and they can do all of them in a couple hours. So suggest this. Maybe you have a bit better way, but regardless, 2 or 3 times a year, you need to be running this stuff so it don't seize up on you. Because it's a lot of work if this chain seizes up on you to replace and all, and it doesn't have to be if you'll just take a little time. As you can see, as this chain is moving, this is what moves to draw the salt to the rear of the spreader. And it'll come to the back, fall down, and be distributed by the spinner at the bottom. So this is why you need to keep it lubricated all year long, so it freely goes and it doesn't wear out on you.